We are calling it Conclave of Ignited Minds. I was just wondering, we should also be calling it a conclave of ignited souls. All the persons who are here, all the persons who are sitting on the dais, one thing that has commonly brought us here is we are not only ignited minds, but we are ignited souls. The very thought that we want to be here, we want to contribute to the society, we want to make a little bit of change that is possible with us is a sign that we are all ignited souls. A lot of speakers, eminent speakers have spoke about Lead India Foundation, about our President APJ Abdul Kalam Garu. I read his book. I'm a fond follower of Abdul Kalam ji. There are so many numerous examples that I could cite in his book. There's one interview in YouTube where he speaks of leadership. I was so impressed by that YouTube video. A lot of people might have seen it, but it's worth mentioning it here in its. When he was about to launch his missile, with 2 years of hard work, satellites needs to be launched into the space, completely indigenous effort without foreign collaboration, which is a great achievement by itself. He was the project lead. Project director was his renowned leader, Satish Dhawan. And 10 seconds before launching the satellites, the computer says not to launch. But Abdul Kalam Garu, with his sixth sense or with conviction, he bypasses the computer. He sees that all the calculations are perfectly in place, and he says, go ahead and let's launch it. The satellite was launched, and after a few minutes, it landed in Indian Ocean. At that time, his leader, Satish Dhawan, said, the team has put a wonderful effort. You don't worry. I go and face the press conference. And in front of the entire press, the entire world, he said that our team has done a wonderful work, but we failed. Next year, we are going to come back with the same force and we are going to relaunch it again. After 1 year of hard work, again led by our Abdul Kalam ji, they have successfully launched the satellite. It was successfully put in Indian orbital. At that time, the leader of the project, Satish Dhawan, says to our Abdul Kalam ji that now you go and address the press release and I'll be behind your back. So Abdul Kalam ji has said in several occasions that that's the true quality of a leader. That when things fail, they come in forefront and take the responsibilities. When things succeed, they put the team in front of them. So that is a classic example of what a true leadership is. Abdul Kalam ji keep resonating that example. So these are so many examples that we can learn from his life that, it is a comprehensive encyclopedia of itself that we can have a day-to-day tips and suggestions from his life. Now, talking about Lead India program, all people associated with here are doing excellent job in terms of projecting the vision, the roadmap, and the activities. CEO Madhukarji has very elaborately, very excellently elaborated the roadmap. There's a saying that we judge ourselves by what we are capable of doing. We judge ourselves of what we are capable of doing. But others judge us by what we have already done in our past. What we have already done in our past. At this juncture, I would really like to mention what Lead India or Bala Bharati or our renowned Acharya has done in past 40 years to bring the organization to this stage and to bring so many ignited mind here at this juncture. I've been associated with Bala Bharati, Lead India for past 30 years. 40 years of service of Sudarshana Acharya has gone into this organization. I would say selfless service with only one vision, motto: inculcate human values, imbibe values in people. And the best way to do it is imbibe in children. Acharya used to carry a program called Bharati Sikshana Samiti. 3 weeks of summer vacation camps, పిల్లలకు సమ్మర్ వెకేషన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అది వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఐడియల్గా ఉండడం ఎందుకని చెప్పేసి ఒక 200 to 300 పీపుల్ని అక్యుములేట్ చేసి అందరు పేరెంట్స్తో మాట్లాడి, అమ్మ పిల్లల్ని ఈ క్యాంపుకి పంపించండి బాగుంటుంది అంటే, తల్లిదండ్రులు సరే వాళ్ళకి ఇష్టం ఉండో లేకపోతే ఇంట్లో ఉండి అల్లరి చేస్తారనో 3 weeks ఆ క్యాంపుకి పంపిస్తే 3 weeks ఒక డెడికేటెడ్ టీము వాళ్ళకు ఆ 3 వారాలలో వాళ్ళకు జీవితానికి సరిపడే హ్యూమన్ వాల్యూస్ అనుకోండి, మన సనాతన ధర్మనే అనుకోండి, ఆ మంచి అలవాట్లే అనుకోండి, ఏ రకమైన బుద్ధి చెప్పాలో వాళ్ళకి ఏ రకమైన తీర్చిదిద్దాలో ఆ 3 వారాలలో వాళ్ళని షేప్ చేసి పంపిస్తే ఐ హావ్ సీన్ న్యూమరస్ ఒకేజన్స్ వేర్ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ రియల్లీ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్. అండ్ వాళ్ళు ఈరోజు దే ఆర్ ఇన్ సచ్ ఏ గుడ్ పొజిషన్స్, దే ఆర్ లివింగ్ సచ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ లైఫ్. 40 years of his service has brought us here. We are very grateful to great souls like Acharya. Now we are very privileged. I myself am very privileged to be part of the trustee of Lead India. We have been entrusted to lead this. Acharya fortunately sees this as a 30 years of my life as a testimony of what Lead India stands for. My last 30 years I have led a life of righteousness. ఒక 2 years బ్యాక్ నేను ఆచార్య గారిని శ్రేయస్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ యాన్యువల్ డే ప్రోగ్రామ్కి చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా పిలిచినప్పుడు ఆ రోజు వచ్చి హీ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ సీయింగ్ 2500 3000 స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫ్యాకల్టీ, కాలేజ్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్ అంతా కూడా చూసి ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. దాంట్లో నేను అంతమందిలో ఒకటి చెప్పాను, నేను వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టుడే హియర్, ఐఎమ్ లీడింగ్ ఏ కంటెంట్ లైఫ్, ఐఎమ్ లీడింగ్ ఏ లైఫ్ ఆఫ్ ధర్మ. నా గుండెల మీద చేయి చేసుకుంటే నేను ఎవరిని నా జీవితంలో కావాలని చీట్ చేసింది లేదు, వీలైతే నలుగురికి మంచిగా చేశాను. అది ఆ హ్యూమన్ వాల్యూస్ అంతా కూడా ఇన్కల్కేట్ చేసిన నా గురువు గారు వీరని చెప్పేసి ఆ రోజు నేను స్టేజ్ మీద చెప్పడం జరిగింది. I don't proclaim myself as an extraordinary person, but definitely I would say I'm an ordinary person who has done small things very efficiently and effectively and led my life in a very content manner. I think that is the motto of Lead India. Once we are content, once we are happy, we can make people around us happy and content. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Hari Om.